Today we're going to talk about a little known feature for iPhones, silence calls from unknown callers. Here's what Apple has to say about this feature in iOS 14. Calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on the recents list. Incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts. That's very important. So the big benefit is that you aren't interrupted by calls from those unknown numbers. But you will still see the numbers that called you and have the ability to review any voicemails that are left. Welcome to Shrop TV. I am your host, Mark Shropshire. This is the place where I bring you content focused on my interests in leadership, productivity, and technology. Please remember to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon to make sure you don't miss a single episode. Let's get started. Okay, we are going to set silence unknown callers. So on your iPhone, go to Settings. This is just your main settings system. Scroll down a bit and look for Phone Settings. There it is. And then when we scroll within Phone Settings, you'll see Silence Unknown Callers. You'll notice it's off by default. That's fine. We're going to flip the toggle, which will change it to green. And at this point, you are now silencing unknown callers. The one tip I would give you for using this feature is to make sure that you place any numbers in your contacts that you expect calls from, and that you remember to turn off this feature if you're expecting an important call but aren't sure of the number. This isn't the only way to help prevent spam calls and robocalls, but it goes a long way to helping you manage your focus with less interruptions. I also like how callers can still leave voicemails. That way, legitimate calls can still leave a message so I can follow up at a later time. I hope this hidden feature was helpful for you. Thanks for watching Shrop TV. I love learning and sharing with you. If you want to learn more about me, check out my website, shrop.dev. I also encourage you to subscribe and listen to Shropcast. You can find the link in the description of this episode. Have a productive day and remember to be kind to others and yourself.